Just want to welcome you guys to my channel here. What I'm going to talk about today is the noise that a lot of people are hearing all over the world with coming from the sky. It's very interesting, and I also want to say thanks to a good friend of mine that I talk to on a regular basis, Daniel. So basically, what's truly going on? If you guys know, I'm guessing you guys heard of Tesla. He said it best. Basically, if you want to figure out the secret to the universe, you got to think of the universe in frequency, wave, energy, and vibration. Basically, what you guys are hearing in the sky is it's the frequency, the energy, and the vibration that's coming from the binary star and its planet, and so it's basically become it's audible. And if the energy and the frequency and the vibration is audible, that you can just imagine how big those planets are. And the closer it gets, believe it or not, it's obviously it's going to get a lot more obvious, louder, and more disturbing to humans. So once again, man, I appreciate the support. Those who support me, even those who dislike my work, my video. I still appreciate you guys. Just for clicking that dislike button. It shows me that at least you watched the video. So I'm planting some sort of seeds in your head. So once again, man, just to explain it to you a little bit clearer, the noise, the audio. I just watched another video. A guy from Morocco, like 3 days ago, a gentleman record the noise coming from the sky. And I've been hearing this since I've been seeing these videos since 2011, and that's actually when I start noticing the binary system. So it's the vibration, the frequency, and the energy that's coming from the 7 planets around the binary star. These it's now become audible, and it's what people are hearing. So I just want to make it a little bit clearer for you guys so you understand what's truly going on. And it's going to get a lot more obvious, so prepare yourself for it. And a lot louder, so prepare yourself for that too. And when these things start to become audible, you can just imagine how the energy that's coming from these planets, the vibration, and the frequency. So that's basically the best way to understand the universe. So once again, Tesla, thank you for that. He said it best. Now that's the secret to the universe. You got to think of it in those terms. So yes, and so to make it a little bit more clear on you guys, at the end of this video, I put a smaller clip of it from that video footage from Morocco with the noise coming from the sky, and it's so kind of creepy and disturbing. But as I said to you guys, I'm just dropping some knowledge on my subscribers. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, once again, welcome to Nick Thomas TV. Subscribe to my channel, and all my social media links are will be in the video description. And I just want to say, man, I appreciate you guys' support. I read a lot of you guys' comments. I can't respond to everything. I get a lot of emails. Thank you guys for sharing all your pictures, your videos with me. I really do appreciate it. And it get overwhelming sometimes, but I guess I enjoy it. So, and a lot of my pictures, you can actually go to facebook.com/Nick Thomas TV and see a lot of my pictures and videos that I put up there. Also, a new Facebook I just opened up. It's facebook.com. I am Nick Thomas. You can go and like that page. I just opened it up. It's in the video description too. All my social media links. And yeah, so yesterday, as I said, thank you, Daniel. We had a long discussion on the phone. We discussed, trying to figure out what's truly going on. And that's basically, how we can put it to you guys, the noise that's actually coming from the skies. And yeah, believe it or not, it's biblical. It's in the Bible. So it's in the book of Revelation. So, I'm not trying to be all spiritual or religious with you guys at all. Yeah, I do read the Bible a lot and get a lot of the knowledge from there and understand what's truly going on, understand the times we live in. So I just want to thank you guys again. So that's just the best way I can explain it to the noise that's going on in the sky and people hearing it all over the world. So it's just the frequency, energy, and vibration that's coming from the planets. And all the planets in the in our solar system is they're all heating up. So I'm taking note of it. I'm noticing what's going on. So it's we're living in a strange time, people. So there's nothing we can do to change it. We just have to accept it. You know, the quicker you accept it, the more you'll be at peace. And that's the best way I can put it to you guys. So thank you guys, man. I'm about to do edit some videos here, and everyone that support my channel, thank you. All the subscribers, thank you. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe, and see more of my videos. I just want to say, God bless you guys, and you guys have a wonderful day, and keep enjoying life. Make the best of it. And that's the best thing I can say to you guys. Enjoy it, make the best of it, and make it stress free, man. Enjoy the little bit of it as we have here on Earth, and so enjoy your day, guys. Thank you. Bye.